hammerhead screws are the perfect choice for securely fastening your greenhouse profiles in seconds. This set contains 5 M6x18mm hammerhead bolts with nuts and eyelets that fit almost all aluminum profiles. With their universal applicability, they are suitable for a wide range of DIY applications. Our hammerhead screws are made of stainless steel, which gives them a long service life and weather resistance. They not only offer a robust fastening, but also a high load bearing capacity.